to the Benazir Bhutto International Boxing Tournament, where a galaxy of boxing stars from all over the world have assembled to fight it out and prove that they're best in the world. It's going to be an action-packed ride, and I'm your host, Imad Hamid. So let's brace for the fight of your lives. The tournament brought back international sports to Pakistani fans, deprived of the joys of watching spellbinding action, thrills and razzic match. Ever since the Sri Lankan cricket team was attacked in Lahore. More than 200 boxers and officials had assembled in Karachi. Pakistan fielded two teams in the tournament, Pakistan Greens and Pakistan Whites. Each team included 11 boxers, vying for honours in 11 different categories.
And I think this is going to send a very good message as far as our sporting world is concerned. And inshallah, the effort now should be to build up on this.
Federation is concerned, I think they did a great job to bring such a big event in Pakistan, and so many countries, more than 20 countries participating in this mega event. This is a great achievement, and it is the right time for this achievement. This is the time when our people need something. They wanted to see sports activities which were not happening in this country ever since this Sri Lankan thing had happened, this unfortunate incident with Sri Lankan cricket team had happened. So I think this is the time for the sports activities, and this is the right time to have it.
Pakistan is off to a great start in this Benazir Bhutto International Boxing Tournament, as Mohammad Wasim, the captain of the Greens outfit, has crushed his Sri Lankan opponent 9-0 in his 51 kg bout. He joins me now. Let's have a word about his performance. Wasim, कैसी रही आपकी performance? बड़ा शानदार खेले आप।
जी हाँ, हम लोगों ने ट्रेनिंग बहुत की थी। हमने कोच ने हमें बहुत ट्रेनिंग दी थी, जो क्यूबन कोच हमारे आए हैं यहाँ पर नए, अभी 2-3 महीने से हम उनके साथ ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं। इंशाल्लाह हम लोग बेनज़ीर कप में पाकिस्तान के लिए गोल्ड मेडल जीत के दिखाएंगे।
ज़बरदस्ती आ रही है, आपने बोला ज़बरदस्ती, आज जैसे आप खेले उसके श्रीलंकन बॉक्सर के साथ लगा कि आप पूरी फाइट करने के लिए तैयार हो, आपके पंचेस में बड़ी जान थी, तो क्या क्यूबन कोच के साथ क्या ऐसी बात है जो जिसकी वजह से आपकी ट्रेनिंग बहुत ज़बरदस्त हुई है?
क्यूबन कोच ये है कि वो लड़कों के साथ बहुत अच्छा रब्ता रखते हैं, और जो लड़का उसको पसंद है उसको बहुत अच्छा ट्रेनिंग देता है, प्यार से ट्रेनिंग देता है, और उसके साथ हर किस्म का मतलब उसके साथ हर किस्म में हर चीज़ में उसके साथ खड़ा रहता है।
The visitors included arch rivals India, who fielded 3 boxers in the tournament. Their coach was full of enthusiasm and labelled the event as a great opportunity and exposure for his pugilists.
We came here to see the performance of our boxers, and so very good. And they got a chance to perform here because international exposure is a good exposure, is a good platform. And it is a very good with both countries they come here, and good exposure for each country, even Pakistan boxers and even Indian boxers. Like that, performance never stays. It is always harmonious development, and we cannot underestimate it. If you say that Pakistan is down, I don't underestimate the Pakistan. Pakistan is too good these days also. The performance is a different thing.
But it wasn't India alone, as the galaxy of boxing stars included a team from Europe, Hungary.
Boxing tournament, big tournament, 2010 years on world one tournament, world one.
You got a boxer from Chinese Taipei who's made it to the semi-finals of this tournament. You will try and speak to him with his interpreter.
他说你希望得到什么样的成绩？
我是希望冠军，如果有那个实力 number one。
Just only gold.
Gold. Thank you very much. All the best. Besides the boxers, officials from various countries had assembled in Karachi. And for some, it was a homecoming.